Architects, engineers, and building owners, welcome! This short explainer will provide options and ideas for building clocks for existing buildings or those currently being designed. Minimalist clocks to clocks with more character, and even statement clocks. If it can be drawn on a napkin, it can be built. Every building has its own architectural style that makes it special. A custom clock is designed to work with that style. The most basic is a skeleton clock. The traditional line is available in basic, black and white, but also in a spectrum of different colors: black, blue, white, green, etc. This is a 48-inch casting. The owner of this clock chose green as the base color. The accents for this clock will be a gold logo, Roman numerals, and clock hands. For design concepts for new construction or renovation, please send the specifications, and a quote to meet those specifications will be provided. For an existing building, there's only one measurement needed, and that measurement is the thickness of the wall. The average wall is about 7 inches thick. This clock motor was built to fit a wall that is 12 inches thick, plus the convex dial face with a couple of inches for flexibility. To accomplish this, all that was needed was the measurement of the wall. To add character to a building or to create a clock tower, give us a call at 800-964-5749 or click the quick quote button.